Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another live trading session. The market's about to open in about 2 minutes. Low volume today. Let's see if this is going to push or if this is going to sell off. I could be very quick to go short, just so you're aware. The market to me is weak. Just have to be a little bit careful. They could push it to 950 and then push it to 23,050. We start seeing some interesting moves. So Nasdaq is strong. It sold off back to where it came from before it pushed, and we see DAX is also doing the same. The DAX is not really showing any progress and any momentum back to previous highs. We saw some noise yesterday and yesterday again, but it did manage to break above 50. It could be today. It could also sell off. So what's going on today? I hope you're doing well. I hope you are well prepared. It's an interesting day we have in front of us. I look forward to this session here. So we have something coming in here, German info business climate, and then we have news later, consumer confidence, CB, new home sales. Some lots of going on here, but no really progress so far. We have news coming in, yeah, later today first. So big push on DAX, strong DAX in the morning, and a big push here on Nasdaq as well. Could be a fake out. It could also push. To me, it looks strong, and I am well prepared for going long. The risk is it could sell back to here and then break below. So I will like to give the market some time and not time it where I have to stop myself out. So going long here is very risky. I know it could work, but it's just very risky if you zoom a little bit out. So let's make the plan so we have everything in place before we're doing something. I would like to take a short below 900, just make sure it could push stop losses out and rally back. This has to be with active selling pressure below that I will take a short. For me to go long, it have to be above 950. So I'm going with the trend. I'm going with the momentum. We don't want to short at lows and then it comes right back. So we want to make sure it's actually gonna break below, come back to this range 925, and then sell off again. So just be careful doing something that's not really worth your time. So we want to be in and out, in and out, in and out quick, okay? For 5 minutes. It's tough for me to say where the market is going to go. Normally, DAX is strong after a big push on Nasdaq, but we're selling off again, and Nasdaq might come below here. I wouldn't really say, to be honest, that this is a short. For me to really trigger a short, we have to break below 95. I'm not shorting this one, of course. We have to break below here and sell off. That's a short. And here it's just consolidating, not doing anything. It could push up to 950. That's what the market is setting up for right now. They're really not setting up for a sell off, and if they do, they might hold the market. You can see the trend is really pointing up. We open around 906. Yes, it could stop below and it could push above, but what should really drive the market? It's only hope and fear of missing out. It might come back to 23,150, but let's see. So Nasdaq is making no progress. It could break above here and then rally. It could also sell below all the way back to here, okay? Regarding the DAX, it's tough to see where we're really gonna head. For me, it's very negative right now, but be careful going short here. They could push it right back up to 50, and then you're losing 40 points. For what reason? No reason. Again, good traders, they don't trade every single day. They trade maybe 2, 3 times a month. But we are trading every day, even 2 times a day. So we have to be in and out very quick, and we have to really mitigate risk and not really have the possibility of it going against us. So we should always try to take a short, close in the middle, trading on 1 minute bar at high and low a week. If it's overbought, it's up here, you go short, you can example close it out there. I mean, then you have made like 10, 15 points. That's a good little move, and then you should just stop and call it. So there's many possibilities here for making money in the first 5 minutes. I could have made money from shorting it there, closed it here, 30 points. That's a decent move, and that's a lot of money. So stop losses is getting out right there. Boom. Now they're pushing it back, or maybe they're gonna sell it off. A lot of stop losses is getting out. It looks like a long to me that we can hold. They could also sell it below. A lot of stop losses got out there, and now they're buying it back. So a lot of fake outs here. I mean, I want to short it, but it could push back to here, okay? So it could stop here, push back to here, or even push back here. So just be very careful going against the trend. This was just stop losses that got hit and got taken out. If we break below here second time, it's a short for me. But again, always be very careful going short here because they could push the market to 950. What you want to do is trade with the trend. So if they break below a second time and they really start selling off, then it's very interesting. Again, they want to push it to 950 or even higher. You can also see the Nasdaq is holding at 130. We have support next time at 109. There might be some stop losses here. So this is what everyone is going to do. They're going to might push it back to here. All the stop losses is around here. They're going to push it down to here, maybe down to 87, and then they want to push it right back. It's so clear what's going on. What they're trying to manipulate. I'll go for a light short here. It looks like a good short, but it could push back to 920. So I'm just a little careful here. Remember, if you go short here, it's very stupid. You have to wait for it to take everyone out, and they have to flip the switch, and you have to go with the trend momentum, and then you're doing 20 points. Selling pressure. Be careful here going short. I would like to take it short at a higher price. They could push it back. I know it failed, but it's just very tricky. They could push the market back all the way back to 950. The risk reward is not great. We don't want to go long here, of course, but it's not really great. So it's weak. The market is trending down. Last time we pushed 25 points, so we want to see if they're gonna push it to 90. Nope, selling off again. I'll go in for a light short here at 50%. I'm selling short here. Let's see here. They could push it. I'm just afraid that they might want to push it back to 900, and then I'm having 40 points loss. And if they push it to 950, then I have from lows 100 points loss. So just be very careful. I did not open any position. You can see no records. Just be very careful here. Nasdaq also might push back. They just took some stop losses out. They also took stop losses out here, and they took the rest stop losses out here, and they also took some stop losses out here. This is a short squeeze. Let's see. Just be very careful. Looks very strong to me. Go for a light short right there. Let's see. Wow. 98. Closing this one out quicker at 90 again for around 2K. Let's see if they want to push it or they want to sell it off. If you want, you can hold you short. But I just exit quick again. So I went short at 98, and I told you let's just close it at 90. It's currently trading, as you can see, at 91 or 88, but you can hold your short. If you want to hold it, feel free to hold your short. I'm just not sure if they want to push it back. That's more just be a little careful here. But you see, 98, it's already up 10 points, and it went down to 83. Tricky market, very tricky market. They could push it, and I'm afraid that they're gonna push it above 900, and then of course it's gonna go above 911, and then it's gonna go back to maybe 23,000, even higher. They could also dump it if you're still short. Fine. I'm just not holding it. I just went out, but you can hold your short if you want. With the stop loss to break even. So we went in at 98, so you could move your stop loss to 98 or maybe 93, and you can just hold this short all the way down if you want. I'm just waiting a little bit. We are past 12 minutes. I'm just afraid they're gonna push it back, take liquidity out, and then push it to 95, 950, or even higher. So just understand the risk. Could consider going for a re-enter short. Let's re-enter short here. It's currently trading at 87, 88. Let's see if they're gonna dump it. 87, 88, 89. Will they really push it back? Wow. Big push. Nasdaq is weak. Nasdaq is selling off. And DAX is pushing right back strong here. Let's see. We're gonna sell off. I'll exit here at 81 or 80. As you can see, he's currently trading at 80. I close it again. It's gonna be my Nasdaq. it's just gonna be no progress. It's so fun that I'm looking at this Nasdaq, and I saw yesterday the price movement was nothing. It's just this. This is the price movement yesterday. They could sell all the way back, just so you're aware. And you can also close your short here. Okay. We passed 15 minutes. I've been trading for 15 minutes. We might see progress below now, and it might sell off. Overall, quite happy with my performance so far. In and out very quick. I just only go short here, okay? So you could hold it if you want. You feel free to feel free to hold your shorts. Like I mean, I told you to go short again and again. I told you can hold it. I'm just not holding it. That's it could push back again now. Nasdaq is very weak. Nasdaq. Let's see here. Wow, big push again. A lot of money could have been made here from 900 to 50. Wow, quite insane. I could like to go for a short here. It's very negative. I'm going for a light short here, but it could push back. I want to see if it's going to push back to 65. I'm not super sure if this is really going to go more down. I think they could push it right back to 900. We should keep it simple. It might push to 81 and then I will go for another short. You can see this is where we went to last time and then we bounced right back up here again. So they might take some stop losses around here, around 12, 11, and then stop here at 100 or 95. Maybe people have the stop. I think if I were going long, I would have my stop loss around here. So they might push it down to here. So there is more room for a short. Why is my computer lacking? Okay, it's very clear that they really want to sell off the market. I just don't want to go short here. I think they could push it to 75. Last time they pushed it to 800. And I think they could do that, but they could also easily push it right back and hold support here at 850. Many people will buy it here and try to take it back to 875 or even 900. We shouldn't be trading more. Yeah. I think we should call it. It was only short today. 2 shorts in a row. If you close it out now, congrats. Very negative. The market is very weak. A lot of stop losses gonna take out here. They might want to pump it back to 200. This is just a support at 100. It might go to 95 or 88 and then push right back up. We have to be a little careful here because we have a lot of consolidation, and last time we sold off, we went back 40 points. So from 850, I told you there will be support, so we might go to 900 now. For me, it's more like a long on a short term back to here, even higher. It's holding quite strong. You see the same here? It's very easy to see what the market's going to do. They're going to take out the stop losses that just went below here. So the stop losses is set here, 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 and there. So they could short it. Active selling pressure below is a short. Let's see, last time it went 40 points. Let's see if this is going to do the same. To go to maybe 75 or even 81, or it should maybe get rejected. I think it's too risky for me to trade right now. It's just if it's going to push up and I see it's getting rejected, that I will go for a short. But this could also be the new lows for the day, 850, and it could push it back to 950. So this could act as a new low. So just be aware and just have the risk in mind. Don't go short here, they could push it, okay? Just be careful. Support 100. DAX is also selling off now. We went below, very negative. Going short here will be very stupid because they want to push the market back. It's just market behavior and psychology. That's the only thing we see. The stop losses is here and they want to push it now back to 950. Break below here, just short back to maybe 800. So if we can short it here back to 800, that will be very great, but just be very careful. They will push the market and they will come back stronger. Because of Nasdaq went down so much and is holding a strong support and the market is not even open and we have no news and no really like there's no reason why this is really like selling off. Um, I mean, I might not trade. So my point is that I might just stay cash and not do anything. I think that's a better option because the Nasdaq always sold off. It's holding support. It's pushing right back. We might see the same for the DAX. So I might consider holding cash. I could also go in short at a higher price, but many beginners they go short there and they go short there and they hope and now they get stopped out. So I just place my entry where the masses is getting stopped out. Yeah, over trading, I should hold myself to my principles. It's just gonna go come back to here, maybe sell off. I'm not super sure. I'm not allowed to trade now, so I'll end the stream. It's my principles. I follow.